star question number 3A.
पंचा
Wednesday
सरपंच
Vegas.
आणि लॉ अँड ऑर्डर प्रॉब्लेम करपा जाय.
Wednesday Vegas, postpone star question 3A. Postpone star question 3A.
एक कॉल कर रे कॉल इट आउट.
तेका याद ना हेंदी
3A मोड रे.
तुका याद ना तुका
3A मोड रे.
पोस्टपोन क्वेश्चन 3A.
ही कॉल.
म्हाका सांगपा जाय आता तो पळय विषय करता. पोस्टपोनमेंट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो इज अ राइट ऑफ द मिनिस्टर. Even a member under 49(1) is allowed to withdraw his question. These are rights. These are according to the rules. These are the rules if he does not read them. बेश्टे कित्याचेर विषय याचेर इश्यू केलो जायना स्पीकर सर.
कॉल आउट कर.
बस रे
3A.
Question start question number 1.
Answer provided.
कोणागे कोणी विचारपूच ना तू आन्सर कित्याक दिता कोणी दिवंक ना.
I have already called out the next question.
Next question.
Start question number 1.
Why one? 3A he called out the question.
No, he has not called out the question.
He called out. कितें उलयता रे? शे. हे स्पीकर सर मातशे मुखेलमंत्री मातशे शांत राव रे. मातशे राव. सगळे तूच उलयता. तो स्पीकर कितें आहा आमकां ना जाल्यार मातशे राव मरे की
Start question number 1.
मातशे सुसेगाद.
He has not
स्पीकर सर
he has not stood up.
stood up. He stood up and called
I'm
out.
looking at him for the last 10 minutes.
Sir, you already
Hold up.
Question star number 1.
Again, speaker sir, he said answer
number
as
one.
cyclostar ma answer केल मते ने. If he called it out, speaker sir, he called out the question and he said answer as per cyclostar.
No, point of order. Speaker sir, you have called question number 1.
Question number 1.
1 minute. Speaker sir, without him calling out that question, why did the minister reply?
अरे किती
Does the minister
Start
know what he is
question
doing?
number 1.
Postpone star question.
Why is he answering things which are not being asked? It's simple, Speaker sir.
अरे speaker sir,
There is a decorum of the house.
ये ऐसे
No,
history
reply quickly.
Never in the history has something like this type of precedent happened. He has called the question.
अरे तसे नाही.
He has called the question.
बाकी सगळे उलयता स्पीकर सर.
Speaker sir, advocate
Vijay Sardesai, please sit down.
कोट्यानी रुपया बोलले. Result zero.
Please sit down. Please sit down. Start question number 1.
स्पीकर सर तुम्ही म्हाका उब राव म्हणला हांवें 3A म्हणला आता हे डिस्कशन कितें म्हाका समजना.
Start question number 1.
फिजाचे क्वेश्चन घायला तुम्ही
असो
म्हाका
खबरात
म्हणला, हांवें
मंत्री
3A म्हणला तेन एक्नॉलेज केला आता डिस्प्यूट कित्याचे म्हाका कळना.
Because Cabral, Segadre, swearing in
Sangare.
Speaker sir, give your ruling. Give your ruling.
I have called out.
Give your ruling without asking the question. Why did the minister reply? I just want to know this.
I have
If he
already
has
called
never
out.
asked,
Start
he has
question
never asked,
number
why did he
1.
reply?
Start question number 1.
Minister सपने था.
Start question number 1.
ना स्वप्न आयले तुझेच आयले
Minister सपने था. तर किती minister बरो ना. ना.
because
टाउन प्लॅनिंग मिनिस्टर सपन्याता किती झालं का. अरे तो विचार नसणारे रिप्लाय किती दिली. ताणे जर विचारूकूच नाही रिप्लाय किती दिली. मग कोण स्पीकर सर गिव्ह मी अ रुलिंग ऑन दिस. I will cite the rules. I will cite the rule under which you have to give me a ruling. You give me a ruling how minister could reply without the question being asked.
he's
Simple thing.
Shaktiman.
One for his mind only.
अरे this is a serious issue. कोट्यानी रुपया शेकड्यांनी कोटी मोडतात.
Because
सब ज्युडिस करपाक आणि रिझल्ट मेळना. विश्वजित राणेचे सगळे डिपार्टमेंटच कोर्टान आहा. फुल कोर्टान आहा.
एक क्वेश्चन गेलते म्हाका विचारले हे जो लीगल फीज आहे तेजे फ्लोर ऑफ द हाऊसाचे प्लेस कोत म्हणले ते गेलते पार्टी फ्लोर ऑफ द हाऊसाचे गेलते पार्टी घालून आणि हे पार्टी आता आमचे क्वेश्चन एस्कोन मिसगाइड कोताय.
जी हम किती हा गोयात.
We want the entire revenues that was being collected to be tabled on the floor of the house. This was the demand last time.
Please sit
कोताय
down.
म्हणले
Renzi Vegas.
हे पार्ट करपाचे आता
Please sit down.
पोस्टपोन आता
Please sit
पोस्टपोन
down.
काय.
No, you can't postpone question.
I
This
called
is a-
out.
this
I
is a
called out.
postponed
Start
question.
question number 1.
अरे but how can you postpone a postponed question?
Speaker.
What happened to the postponed question?
Postponed or postponed?
No, no,
Postponed
Speaker,
as a
sir,
postponed.
from
एक असली
moving
बात है.
Gudino just now postpone the
See.
question to the next session.
Postponed as a
In the next
postponed
session, can you do
म्हणजे
this?
postpone.
What is being done today?
One, sir. One.
आता तुम्ही postpone केला next session केलं. Same ताजे तेच ना.
Last session.
Last session. अरे last session.
काढले त्याने. One.
Now how it can be postponed again? It can't be postponed after it goes to the next session.
Because माझ्या ruling.
There is a ruling. Your legislature secretary advised, don't make a mockery of the house.
Never has happened like
You
this.
cannot postpone a postponed question.
This is more.
What did you reply?
More.
What did the minister reply?
Did you actually
The
hear me
question was not called.
You didn't reply.
The minister
अरे, बाबा.
ऊपर आलो.
Next. What is the next question?
Abhi Subhash Fernandez cannot advise like this. He wants to become town clearing minister. That's what he's telling
So
you.
we want you to table.
Everybody
want
wants
you
to
to
become
table
town
the
council minister.
entire fees that has been collected on the floor of the house. This was the demand last time. You had told us that you are going to table it out. You did not table it out. We want you to table out.
Speaker sir.
I call for the question. You stood up.
हांव इंचादा Speaker sir. जे 3A.
No, I don't know what is 3A, but.
Honorable member. Honorable member.
Cyclostat.
Honorable member.
Speaker sir, ये Kessler है गुंडापू.
Honorable member, I had asked the
he-
honorable member to call out the question number 3A.
He called it out, Honorable
He
Speaker,
did not,
with due respect.
he did not
Speaker,
stand.
sir, can I show you?
He did not
Can I
stand.
show you?
Check,
Him calling
check,
the question.
check this.
Check, cut out.
Check this.
Check.
Check this. Benji is calling out the question.
Okay, 3A.
About Vijay. Correct.
मैं एक 3A मुळे ऐकू येईल
अरे कोण केला तो पण
स्टार्ट
दिसता
कर
कोणाचे?
हांव नाला इंचादा
मैं किती आहा तुम्ही डडडीत फटी मारता मरे स्पीकर सर फटी मारपाक तुझो एक लेवल असता
This
इतकी
is
डडडीत मारत ना
mockery of governance.
Okay, honorable member, call out question number 3A.